Deep in the heart of Japan, nestled amongst the majestic Yatsugatake Mountains, lies a house unlike any other. Built on a secret plot of land with breathtaking, panoramic views, it's a testament to both the power of nature and the ingenuity of human design. Our story begins with a man obsessed with a dream. He spent years searching for the perfect location, a hidden gem where he could fully immerse himself in the beauty of the Yatsugatake. His vision? A house that didn't just exist in the mountains, but truly became one with them. When I first arrived at this site, I was awestruck. The untouched nature, the sheer scale of the view, it demanded to be the centerpiece. My goal became clear, to create a house that didn't obstruct the view, but rather embraced it. To achieve this seemingly impossible feat, we employed innovative engineering. Megastructures act as the backbone, allowing half the house to seemingly float in midair. Diagonal steel cylinders, each a testament to modern technology, provide the crucial support. Step inside and prepare to be awestruck. The entrance is deliberately modest, creating a sense of anticipation. Then, you emerge into a living space unlike any other. Three sides boast uninterrupted, panoramic views. It's as if you're perched on a cloud, completely surrounded by the majesty of the Yatsugatake. Every detail is meticulously crafted to enhance the experience. High ceilings create a sense of grandeur, while the expansive deck allows you to truly feel a part of the landscape. The use of natural wood throughout the house fosters a sense of harmony with the surrounding environment. Each room offers a unique perspective on the mountains, ensuring a constant connection with nature. The house itself exudes a quiet dignity, respecting the power of its surroundings. It's not just a structure, it's a homage to the beauty of the Yatsugatake.